Hello guys! Today is a holiday and maganda yung panahon. So we decided to go smelt fishing. Let's go!
Let's go!
So let's go to McDonald's while Bobby will fill up the tank. Gusto na siyang magpagas. Just waiting for me but I got the goods. So let's go. Yeah!
Tayo sa Bonshaw. It's than 40 minutes away lang siya from Stratford.
So you guys, I woke up early for this. The big question now is, can I eat inside the car?
Later.
The question ko next is, paano pag nagkanak tayo, tapos syempre kakain yung bata sa loob ng car?
Sige, kumakilat ka.
I can eat!
Hindi naman sa maarte, pero kasi mga cases pag summer na pwedeng pumasok yung mga rodents, squirrels, pwede nila kasing ngat-ngatin yung mga fire.
That's true. So, and I'll clean up afterwards. So I just saw that we're 500 meters away from Bonshaw Park. Are we? Malapit na tayo.
Lord, what a beautiful day.
Okay guys, dito kami ngayon sa park. Magpapalipad lang siya ng drone. Yeah. While we're here, I'm gonna throw my trash. Okay, he's gonna do it for me. There is a little playground and an area where you can have your picnic. That is his new baby. Well, it's not really new. When did you buy that again? Fall? Yes. Oh, and there's another playground there. We're done with our stop here. We're finally going to the place where
And catch some smelts. So, allowed naman ng government to catch smelt. Pero ang limit per person is only 60. We can get 120 maximum.
Okay guys, we're on the road again. Anyway, so here you have to get a license to get bigger fish. Like bass.
Oh.
Yes, trout. If wala kang license, you can get like mackerel, smelts.
Yun.
Check guys, it is exactly 9:00. It says it's 3 degrees today, but it feels like -1. So malamig pa din. In the afternoon, it's around 10 degrees. Yan yung maganda. It's honestly not too bad here. I think it's because madaming trees. So it's not too windy. May tao doon nag-fishing. Yeah, hindi ko sila kilala. Para sa akin, fish silang lahat. Oh my god guys, I first catch. So cute. And fishy. Oh, goodbye.
Thank you, Lord.
So, uwi na guys.
Pero okay na to kasi may limit lang naman per tao, saka mahirap maging panglamang.
Dapat sakto lang.
Kuha lang, at least ma-share mo rin sa iba.
Ayun, puno na yung parking. Alright guys, we're on the road again. This time we're going to Victoria.
Since dito na lang kami, 15 minutes away.
Bago kami dito sa Victoria siya nag-work noon.
Then yung closing doon. Tapos nakaka-uwi na ako sa bahay siguro, let's say mga 11.
Almost 11.
Maganda yung pera, maganda yung tips. Pero yung kapalit kasi ng pagod.
We're at Victoria Beach Park. Ano, iniwan na ako! So we're currently at Casamia, Victoria. Yo guys, the water looks so amazing. Look at this view.
Thank you, Lord, we're home safe.